Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today I got a product that is going to be going with my solar kit, which is going to be in a future video coming up. But this is the Suncast 22-gallon small deck box. The dimensions are 19.5 inches high, 22 inches in the front, and then width is 17 inches. So it's a good sized box. You can sit on it. It's an open lid concept of this, and the reason why I wanted to get this and just to kind of do a review of this is that I need something that I'm going to put outside for my battery, for my Harbor Freight battery. And I'm going to pull that right here. So this is the battery, and I'm going to be doing a solar kit. So I need the battery because the battery is going to go inside. So I needed room for the battery and for my inverter. And this is actually a Harbor Freight inverter that we're going to be doing. So when we have to make some modifications to this box, this is the right size for what we're going to be using for. On this side, it doesn't matter what side, we're going to have the battery that you saw, and then on the other side we're going to put the inverter. Now I did see some people who did not use deck boxes. They actually used kind of like a tote where they actually screwed some wood on the side and they mounted the inverter so it was up so it was easy to plug into. So I'm probably going to do something like that once I get to that part of the solar kit process. But this is a very nice kind of decorative piece, so where this is going to be on my deck, people can still sit on. They're really not going to know that there is that there's battery and stuff in here. So very excited to do this because the biggest thing is I have a rain barrel system. We're going to be doing playlists for my gardening and for the solar kit. This is going to be made for the solar kit, and what we're going to be doing for that is having where the rain barrels are going to be, transferring the water over. We're going to have a transfer pump, which I already bought, which is going to be in a video that we're going to show a test with the regular hose and with the soaker hose coming up in the next few videos. But the way the rain barrels are, kind of like I said in that, where the raised beds are going to be, those are going to be across the yard. So that's why I kind of need this battery stuff, and so it's going to be running stuff. Now granted, it's for this being my first year doing rain barrels, the solar kit, the raised beds to do the garden. I know I'm going to make mistakes, but that's what this is just to push myself outside the boundaries and to really be, going out there to try to make myself, see what I can do, see what I can grow. So, but I'm really excited about this box because this has what the needs I'm going to have for it. Now you're probably wondering what the price is. The price is around 50 bucks, which isn't too bad. Now there are some cheaper ones out there that a lot of the big box stores have. You can get them for 40 bucks. I tried to get those, but you couldn't buy those anywhere. But I was happy spending $50 with this. And as my wife said, if for some reason, if the solar kit doesn't work doing outside with the garden, that hey, we have another deck box that we can still store some outside stuff in there. So very happy for this new deck box because we have a sister, the same brand in a bigger tote outside that we have all of our cushions in. So we know this is a good brand and was something that we like. So definitely write in the comments below if you kind of like the idea of me putting the battery and the inverter and stuff in here for the solar and stuff, because I've seen other people do it. Or just let me know what you guys think about the deck box, or if you even have this to put your cushions and outside stuff in there. Just would kind of like to see what you guys kind of use it for. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.